Today, you need an open mind because today's recipe, we're making pumpkin spice chicken wings. It's got some nice heat to it, of course, as much as you like. It's got some sweetness, it's got that pumpkin and that cinnamon flavor going on. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. So I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right after this. All right, you pumpkin lovers, we're gonna go over the ingredients as I add them to the bowl because most of our ingredients are going into the bowl to make our sauce. And we'll talk about them as we go. So first up, we have our pumpkin puree. Now I got this at Trader Joe's and it has nothing but pumpkin in it. So there's no spices, you wanna use the plain one. So we'll just pour that in our bowl. And you can get all of the ingredient amounts down below in the description of this video. So check it out down there and click where it says show more. Next up is our cinnamon. Just sprinkle that in. Nutmeg, I'm using a little less nutmeg, and even less of the ground cloves, so just a little bit of that because it's super powerful. I'm using some ancho chili powder here, a little bit of that, for that nice little smoky flavor with a little bit of heat. Now here I'm adding just a little bit of barbecue sauce, a couple of tablespoons, and use your favorite. We like to use Kinders in our family, so that's what this is. Next, I'm going to add some brown sugar, and you can adjust this to, as sweet as you want it or less. So I'll just pour that in. Now we're going to add our fresh ginger. So you take your ginger root, and you want to take a spoon and just kind of peel off the skin. And it's just an easy way to do that, so then we can use the microplane and put it right in our sauce. And then I just take my finger and I scoop it in there until I get about maybe a half a teaspoon of it. We're gonna taste this after we mix it all up. Next, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. So I'll just put a little pinch of salt in there, some apple cider vinegar, last but not least, our sriracha sauce. So we're going to mix this up and give it a chance to sort of marinate for just a few minutes. Now you can see that the sauce is a little bit thick, not too bad. So I like to add just a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon or so. You be the judge on how thick you want that to be. Once you get all the ingredients in your sauce, go ahead and taste it and see. You can always go in and adjust the flavors if you want. Maybe you want more cinnamon, or maybe you want less sugar. That could be a problem though, right? Once you've added it. So you might want to start with less sugar if you're concerned about the sweetness. Put in less of the amount of sugar that I tell you to put in. Taste it at some point and see if you want a little more. You can adjust this to your liking. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, all right? And then I got a baking sheet here that I have lined with aluminum foil. Makes for easy cleanup, and who doesn't love that? And then I'm coating that foil with some coconut oil to help keep the chicken wings from sticking, because with the sugar that's in the sauce, it wants to stick. So this will help with that. It's not perfect, but it will help. Then we'll just lay our chicken wings on the foil and just put a coating on one side of them, so that helps with the sticking as well. So just coat the top half and then we'll pop them in the oven for 20 minutes. So here are the chicken wings after 20 minutes. Now what we have to do now is turn them over. That coconut oil keeps these from sticking, that's for sure, it does help. We're going to slather on the sauce here on the second side and get these nice and coated. All right, these are going back in the oven for 15 more minutes. All right, here's our chicken wings, our pumpkin spice chicken wings. They are done, they didn't stick to the foil. Nice and easy cleanup, quick recipe. Make your sauce, slather them up, and bake them. That's all there is to it. All right, I'm gonna take a taste here. Let's see if I can do this. All right, here we go. Finger looking good, guys. I can taste a little bit of the pumpkin, the cinnamon, all those kind of spices going on in there. It's really nice. I can taste that smoky ancho chili powder. And yeah, it's really delicious. I think there's just enough sweetness. I really enjoy it, guys. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button as well as the bell next to it, and that will give you a notification that my new videos are out. So thanks again, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Best part, easy cleanup.